Welcome to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. Good morning! Welcome to another day in my life. Today is Wednesday here, and you know what happens on Wednesdays. We go to Costco for grocery shopping for the weekly groceries. I woke up early, I went to the gym, I recorded the yoga flow for today. If you are new here, I record a new yoga flow every day so I can post here on the channel. So it's a good idea to sign up. Just saying, if you want to follow a new flow every day, I think you should sign up. So I'm gonna take a shower, I'm gonna get ready and head to Costco. And of course, I'm gonna bring you with me. So let's dive into the details of my day, starting with a delightful trip to Costco for my weekly grocery haul. Bananas, packed with potassium, great for energy levels. Bell peppers, vitamin C rich, boosts immunity. Beef, high quality protein supports muscle health. Milk, calcium for strong bones and teeth. Mushrooms, antioxidants enhance immune function. Spinach is iron rich. Carrots, beta-carotene for eye health. Shrimp, low-fat, heart-healthy seafood. Protein tortilla, high protein supports muscle repair. Quinoa, complete plant protein, high in fiber. White rice, whole grain, good for digestion. Espresso coffee for hubby and winter blend coffee for me. Greek yogurt for probiotics and gut health. Peanut butter dog treats, healthy treat for furry friends. Turkey sticks, lean protein, perfect for snacking. So I just came back from Costco with our grocery for the week. I think I'm gonna show a few things to you because some things I buy almost every week, like bananas, milk. Actually, both are from my husband. He's the one who eats the bananas and drink the milk. It's pretty common for me to buy as well. Actually, all of this grocery is routine grocery for us. Not that we buy every week, but we always have at home, like the carrots, bell peppers, spinach, mushrooms. We always have shrimp. We always have, actually, I think we always have everything that is here. I didn't buy anything new. Oh yeah, I got something new. I got this rice, brown rice. I usually don't buy rice from Costco because the packages there are huge, are for big families. And even though we eat a lot of rice here, it's too much for us. I usually buy brown rice from a regular supermarket, but they had this one. It's 1.8 kilos. I think we can eat in few months maybe. And it's brown rice, but it's what it calls wild blend. So there are a variety of rices here, all of them wild. And I got curious about it. I think it was a little pricey. It was $14.99, but yeah, I'm gonna try this one and I have high hopes for this. Yeah, actually this is the only thing that it's new. Oh, this is not new, but I want to explain to you. When I find there, I buy it. It's tortillas. They call it protein chips. So it's packed with proteins. Actually, on paper, is perfect because it has, let me see if I can find easily. Yeah, they have 18 or 19 grams of protein per package. It's a lot. It's a lot. So I always buy it. With that being said, it's still heavily processed. So we don't eat every day, but it's a good idea. It's a good option for weekends or for when you want a snack. And it's of course so much better than Doritos or any other chips. So we always have for weekends, for movie nights, it's a good idea to have them. But be mindful that it's heavily processed, so we shouldn't be eating every day. Actually, we've been trying to substitute all of the protein we eat that is processed. We try to eat a lot of protein. I always say that try to eat as much protein as you can, and it can be hard. And for that, we eat a lot of protein bars. My husband drinks protein shakes every day. The protein cookie I bake at home, I make it with whey protein, so there's some processed ingredient in there. And we are trying to substitute. We are trying to eat more whole food protein, but it's pretty hard, and I know it's hard. So if you are trying to eat more protein, of course, by all means, buy whey protein, buy protein bars, buy protein chips, but have in mind that if you can find a natural source, it's always better. But one of my plans, actually, I would say one of my resolutions for this year, I don't know if it's a resolution, but I'm gonna try to find more sources of protein. So stay tuned for that. Actually, when I was driving home, I was thinking that it would be a good idea to try to make protein chips because I made tortilla a few vlogs ago, and maybe it would be a good idea now to try something with more protein. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you are interested. If people are interested, I'm gonna research and I'm gonna try to make that. So for now, let's put all the grocery away. After bringing home these nourishing goodies, I took a mindful moment to appreciate the abundance and variety of food available to us. This gratitude practice helps me stay grounded and thankful. So, as I was putting everything away, it was a quick reminder of how lucky we are to have such a variety of food easily available. It's just one of those everyday things that's actually pretty awesome when you stop to think about it. Next, I dove into editing my videos. a process I find both creative and fulfilling. It's so rewarding to produce content that inspires and informs others about wellness. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna portion the beef I got today from the Costco. I like to buy the whole piece. First, because I like to take a look at the beef when I'm buying. You can choose a piece with less fat or more fat. There's more suitable for what you are looking for. And because I like to portion in different ways, a part of the beef I'm gonna cut in pieces so I can make stew, I can make fajitas, a lot of things. And another part I'm gonna grind. I like to grind my beef at home because I have control of all of the process. First, I can choose the exactly beef I'm gonna use. Not exactly, but I know how much fat I'm leaving on the beef. And as I'm gonna show to you today, I like to make my hamburger at home. And this way is easier because I can grind with other ingredients like shallots, bell pepper, some seasoning. And of course, when you have control over what you are making, you have more control over your health, you have more control over what you are eating, and that's always the best way. The burgers were made with lean beef, fresh vegetables, and a blend of herbs and spices for a delicious and nutritious meal. Making your own burgers is a fantastic way to control the quality of ingredients, ensuring no added preservatives or unnecessary fillers. Plus, it's a fun and creative cooking experience. The burgers were made with lean beef, fresh vegetables, and a blend of herbs and spices for a delicious and nutritious meal. I also portioned the rest of the beef for future stews and fajitas. Pre-planning meals like this not only saves time, but also helps in making healthier eating choices throughout the week. Later in the afternoon, I wrap up a bit more work, feeling productive and energized. When it came time to prepare dinner, I realized I didn't have buns for the burgers. a perfect opportunity to improvise. Flexibility is key in a balanced lifestyle, and this little hiccup was a chance to get creative in the kitchen. Remember, beautiful soul, a healthy lifestyle isn't about perfection. It's about making the best choices we can, being mindful, and enjoying the journey. Stay positive, stay inspired, and nourish your body and soul with love. Until next time, Namaste.